सो टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू लर्न अबाउट एडवांटेजेस एंड डिसएडवांटेजेस ऑफ इंटरनेट। वैसे तो बहुत सारे इंटरनेट के एडवांटेजेस है। कुछ आपको सीखना है, आपको कुछ परचेज़ करना है, आपको कुछ इन्फॉर्मेशन जानकारी ढूंढनी है, आपको रिसर्च करना है, तो वो सारी चीज़ें इंटरनेट पे अवेलेबल है। वन बाय वन हम इसे एक्सप्लेन करते हैं। पहला है सोर्स ऑफ इन्फॉर्मेशन। ये एक बहुत ही बिगेस्ट सोर्स है। आपको कुछ भी इन्फॉर्मेशन चाहिए बस गूगल पे सर्च करिए, यू विल गेट दैट इन्फॉर्मेशन। सेकंड है मोड ऑफ कम्युनिकेशन। आप लोग जुड़ सकते हैं, मीटिंग्स ऑनलाइन अरेंज कर सकते हैं, आप बात कर सकते हैं। सो दीज आर द प्लेटफॉर्म्स। एक्चुअली इंटरनेट इज़ अ प्लेटफॉर्म वेयर यू कैन कम्युनिकेट विद द पीपल। सो दिस इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट advantages of internet. Now the third one is e-shopping. If you want to purchase something, if you want to buy something from the market, so there is not need to go directly to the shop. You can purchase it from your mobile phone, from the internet. So a lot of sites are there, shopping sites are there, you can use that. Now banking. So this is also another advantage of internet. So without banking we cannot do some transactions, but that is also possible by using internet. By just UPI app are there, you can pay your bill, you can transfer your money to the friends and to someone else. The next one is entertainment. Lot of games are there, you can play that game, you can watch some comedy videos from the YouTube. So the entertainment is very important, it's play very important role in our life. Next one is education. So education also very important thing which is provided by the internet. So these are the advantages of internet. Now we'll see disadvantages of internet. If we talk about disadvantages of internet, so lot of disadvantages of also internet. The first one is privacy issue. Your information you provide to the internet, it will not be very safe. It can be hacked by the someone people, by the hackers also. Unauthentic information can be provided by the internet. Then cyber frauds also possibility of that. If you will not aware about the time management, so your time can be passed, it can be waste. So that's the fourth disadvantages. Now the next one is spam and advertisement. A lot of spam messages, a lot of spam images and emails you will have through the internet and advertise. Sometimes you may be irritated by that. So that is also disadvantages of internet. So hope you will aware about disadvantages of internet also.